Instead of moving to LA to become a YouTuber, I ended up in college. And sometimes I ask myself how and why, but like, whatever, it's fine for now. What a do YouTube, it's just who, it's just Jane back with just another video. I'm gonna be doing a dorm room tour because I told you guys I was gonna do that like months ago and I never did, so I'm making up for it now. The way the freshman dorms are set up, you can either be in a double or a triple. I live in a triple. I didn't know I was getting a triple, but like, it's fine, I'm okay with it. It just means you get 2 roommates instead of 1, but I have a room just like this one on this side of me and a room just like this one on that side of me. So I'm going to show you what a freshman dorm at Oklahoma City University looks like, and they are also in the process of renovating, but I am not in a renovated room, but it's okay, I don't mind. Girl, let's get started. Right here I have an umbrella that just hangs on a towel rack or whatever. Could put my towel there, but I choose to put my umbrella in there. Here in this little bin I keep my books and clipboard. In here it's kind of like a whole bunch of random stuff. I got some hair products. I've got like candy in here and I don't even know. Just a whole bunch of random stuff. Like, you know that one part in your room where you have a whole bunch of random stuff? Well, right here is basically my medicine cabinet, but I don't keep it in a cabinet, so I just keep it in here because, you know, I gotta take that medicine on the daily. 5 drawers. There's not a lot of space, so you gotta do what you gotta do to have everything you want here, you feel? And then in the last drawer I have hats, leg warmers, extra school supplies, and things like that. See, I have some of my shoes in the 4th drawer because that's smart. I have some clothes. Leave me alone. I understand it's messy, but you know what? It's fine. So I have some clothes in the 3rd drawer, clothes in the 2nd drawer, and of course clothes in the 1st one. I like to split it up by like t-shirt, shorts and leggings, and then some fancy stuff. But I also have a closet too where I put more of my clothes, shoes, all of that stuff, and I'll show you that as well. I know I really stuff my clothes in here. Right here I have a picture of me on a canvas because I love me a lot, and honestly, whenever I first moved in, I thought like, oh yeah, I'm going to decorate to the gods, like it will be Tumblr AF. But then I got here and I realized, wow, I'm not as DIY and decor as I thought I was. So what better way to decorate your room than slap a picture of yourself on it, and then it turns cute because I'm cute. You can also see in the reflection another picture of me that's right on top of my bed. This is like my full out makeup station. Pretty pink bin. Pink is my favorite color. Right here in this bin I hold foods and snacks. Here it is again. I just wanted to give you a better view, so I keep my eyeshadow palettes in here, whole bunch of makeup holders, got my food on top here, got my box of random crap here, a thermometer because it's easy to get sick, so I might as well keep that thing on me. And then the lower you get, you have a TV, and right where the TV is a chair because technically this is a desk, but you know, who needs a desk whenever you want sheer entertainment? It's 32 inches and it's a smart TV. It's a Roku, and yes, sister loves this. Behind my TV I have a pink surge protector. There is a light right here, so I can turn it off or I can leave it on. It serves as a lamp. I love it. Then under the TV, whenever I go down, I have my trash can like behind there in the corner. There's nothing in my trash right now. Wow. The other great thing about this desk is it has a drawer right here, so I keep my headbands in here. Those Ethernet cables came whenever I moved in, so I just kept them. On the floor I just have a blue rug and my backpack. Right in the middle of my room is the window. I didn't get any curtains for it. It just got too complicated, and so I was like, whatever. Right above my bed we have 4 shelves and a picture of me again, because I just love me a lot. And, you know, decorating, am I right? And then we also have a bulletin board over here. This is the main light of my room. On the bottom shelf is where I have my charger for my phone and my Mac, and then I keep my Mac on the bottom shelf as well. This next shelf, I have tissues because they're necessary. Whenever you live in the dorms, like, it's gonna happen. You're gonna need tissues. I have a picture of me and my big from my sorority, and some flowers for this little sorority event thing we did. I have this really amazing thing that one of my best friends got me. It's God's Answers for the graduate class of 2018. It's useful. I read it sometimes. And then I have a pencil case that I was going to use as a pencil case, but I was like, no, actually it's really cute. I'm going to use it as decoration. And then I have a planner that I use as decoration because I don't use a planner. I have like a jar of sand that I got from Greece. And then on my top shelf I have 2 teddy bears, and I have a couple more things up there that aren't important. Let's just confirm I'm out here using journals, planners, and pencil cases as decorations because I just suck at decorating. I'm not as good at it as I thought I was gonna be, but what did I say? Slap a big picture of yourself on your wall and you are good to go. Moving on to the bulletin board I have here, I don't really have much on it. Right here is my schedule from this semester. I'm gonna need to change that soon. Right here is some canvas wall art. This is just a plaque of one of my scholarship awards, you know, because I got a scholarship, so that was really nice of them to give that to me. This is a card I got on bid day for sorority stuff, a calendar that I never look at and I actually don't use, but it's there. A note from my big right there, and it's really pretty because it's pink and has rhinestones on it. I have a sorority pin up here for decoration. I have a sorority keychain up here for decoration. As you can tell, I'm really good at using objects that shouldn't be for decoration for decoration. I have a vision board that I made at one of the events we had here. There's not much on it. I feel like I should explain it. It takes up a lot of space, and at the time I needed something to like just fill things in. Like I literally was just filling this bulletin board with random stuff, and this happened to be one of them. And it's a vision board, but if you really look into it, the vision board has everything all about me on it because I don't want to look into the future for like husbands and kids and all of that stuff until I have me going well. So this vision board is all about me, and this is all I could find at the time. There's my explanation for that. My bedspread basically says Paris on it, a whole bunch of that kind of stuff. It also says I love you in French. I wanted to try something new, so I just got this because I thought it was really cute, and then I have a blanket on there as well. This bed in itself is a twin size XL, but the really cool thing about it is you can pull it out, and now it's a full twin XL, because without it being pulled out, it's just a twin. You pull it out completely, twin XL, and whenever you're done using it, or if you don't want it pulled out, you can easily just put it back in. I know, cool, right? You have hidden cabinets that open up. Voila. And I usually don't keep things in here. My camera equipment goes here, except for my tripod. Whenever I'm not using my tripod, I put it right there. But I think this is really cool too. Now onto my closets. They give us 2 closets basically, so there's a lot of space in here for whatever can't fit over there. And on this side, I have like my towels hanging. I switch them out all the time. I have like what I use whenever I go to the shower. I have a bag behind here that I love to use whenever it's necessary. Right here I have a caddy with like perfumes and deodorants, and then a whole bunch more lotions and perfumes back here also. If I open it a little more, I don't know if you can see it, but right here I have some of my jackets and flannel dresses and sweaters and stuff like that. It's a little hidden compartment, and right under that there are 2 pairs of boots hidden here. And then on this side, I have a lot more clothes to deal with, some bags hanging up. I have this thing, which I just put a whole bunch of random stuff in that I feel like I need, but I might not use. On my top shelves of my closets, on this side, I have trash bags, a mini vacuum, other cleaning supplies. And then on this side, I have extra towels. I have a whole bunch of makeup bags, and then more just bags and stuff for whenever I go home. Here I have some more drawers, like jeans and other long sleeve stuff in here. Right here I have like sweaters and long sleeve things. This side is more of my like winter side long sleeve things, and the drawers I showed you earlier are more of my like t-shirts, fancy shirts, summer and spring kind of thing. And then in here I have a whole bunch of shoes. Some shoes that couldn't fit in here are over there, and so on, but this still wasn't enough for me. I have more big bulky shoes that just couldn't fit in any of the drawers with all the other shoes that I had. And then I have a case of water because I just like using these for now, since I don't have a kitchen or anything to like wash a water bottle in. I just prefer to use plastic water bottles until then. And then I have a broom right here. I have dryer sheets behind my broom. I have my pods for laundry right here, and then my laundry basket is honestly so cute. I'm gonna have to show you guys. I just really wanted to point out how cute my laundry basket was. So it says that on the front and on the back. I know that you guys are also like, so you don't have a fridge or a microwave. I actually do. Me and one of my roommates share that, but that's on her side of the room, so I'm not gonna show it to you, but it's a micro fridge and it looks something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, 1, 2, 3, peace.